Hey everyone, it's Justin, and I just got my VR cover in the mail, and I'm super excited about it, and I want to show it to you guys, and I want to try it for the first time. I had to get the VR cover because I have a lot of friends coming over that want to try out my Quest, and they be sweating on my VR headset, and I don't want that. So I got the VR cover. Let's check this thing out. So here it is. We got the VR cover right here, and it has a nice padding. Ooh, very sturdy padding, I love that. So this is the main VR cover right here that is an insert that I can take my insert out and put this one in. It's basically a second one right here, and what's so cool about this is that it's actually on with Velcro, right? So right there, I'm able to take this off, and then if I want to put the other one on, put that one on. So I have two of these. And then here come the elastic band covers, right? So this is what I'm gonna put over these things to protect my precious pores from all of your sweat. So let me read the instructions, which I'm really bad at doing. So it looks like, so now I'm gonna put one of these covers onto the facial interface that they have here. And then there are these elastic bands that all I have to do is just band it right there. There you have it. I now have the VR cover over that facial interface and on there pretty nicely. So what's so great is that the insert that it comes with comes right out, so I can easily change it out. There you have it. And then here is the VR cover one. I'm gonna pop this in. And now, there you have it. My Oculus Quest now has a VR cover on it. Check that out. Lovely. And then, there's their logo right there. It is hot in LA right now, so I am sweating. And I'm gonna put this on and not have to worry about mine getting all the sweat on it. And there it is. Wow, nice and comfy. It's actually more comfortable than the one that it came with. I also found that sometimes I would have like a little rash using mine for a while, and I feel like this material, which is cotton, will feel better on my face over long periods of time, so I'm pretty pumped for that. So that is the VR cover. I definitely can justify getting this device. They make VR covers for a ton of headsets, so check out their website. I have the link below. You can find one for just about every VR headset, so definitely check that out because you're not gonna want your friends using your face mask. You're gonna wanna use a VR cover to keep their sweat off of your face. Not cool. For more VR accessories and more VR videos, definitely subscribe to this channel and follow me on social media. Sometimes I have giveaways. Other than that, I'm Justin, and I'll tech you later. I definitely recommend checking out these VR covers. Woo, it is hot in here.